Do you need to have a lawyer for your truck accident case? Well, that depends. If in the truck accident case you don't have a big injury, you go to the urgent care, you go to the ER, you go to your primary care doctor, and then you're kind of one and done. Or if you go to those places and you get a Flexeril or a pain prescription, you fill that and you're kind of done. Or if you do that, you maybe do 1 or 2 PT visits or 1 or 2 chiro visits. You probably don't need a lawyer. Get your medical bills and records, get your wage loss information, get your property damage stuff, send it to the claim agent for the trucking company. They ought to pay you directly. They ought to pay you ad money for pain and suffering and inconvenience as well. If, however, you have more significant injuries, you're treating for a long time, if the defendant or the trucking company is saying it wasn't their fault, it was your fault, and they won't pay you, if they're jerking you around, if they won't be responsive, they won't even answer you or they won't give you information, if there is insurance challenges where you don't know if they have insurance, you don't know what med pay they have, you don't know what their limits are, that kind of stuff. Or if you have significant injuries for a long period of time, a lawyer like me can add value to the case, and it's certainly worth it to hire us. We don't take a fee unless we recover for you. If we lose your case, we eat our expenses. You don't owe us a dime at Burger Law. I'm Gary Berger. This is my firm, Burger Law. This is how you found this video. BurgerLaw.com. We answer a lot of questions and try to via video and on our website as well. So if your damages are bigger, if they're challenging liability, if the police report isn't what it say happened, if you didn't treat for a while, you thought you were good, 3 weeks later you find out you have a herniated disc in your neck and you need neck surgery, but they're going to say that the delay, we're not paying you. If they're jerking you around, basically if they're not paying you full compensation for your injuries, not 50% compensation, but full compensation, then a lawyer like me can add value to their case. That's how you decide whether or not you need a lawyer. And that's about it. It really depends on whether or not they're willing to pay you or whether or not a lawyer like me can add value. If you have any other questions, go to burgerlaw.com, look at our videos or the other information we have out on the internet. Thank you.